Hey everyone, in this video I want to go over my AI workflow strategy in a lot more depth than I've gone into it before. I just realized there's actually a lot of interest around this. I think one of my posts about this just got 1.1 million views or so, kind of walking through this strategy. And the main thing that I do at Maverick Creative with my marketing agency that I've run for almost 4 years now is scaling brands on TikTok Shop. And the AI workflow is something where I really think this industry is going this way, right? And so there's a massive opportunity here right now. This content is becoming super realistic. And so I'm going to talk you through how we're actually using this AI content to build a little bit of a workflow and a bit of a content factory to ideally get 100 to 300 videos going live every single day on TikTok Shop. This also works for Instagram as well. But yeah, basically prioritizing shoppable content for TikTok Shop to go organically viral and scale sales. I heard from a person who talked to a TikTok rep that basically at this point, TikTok Shop equates it this way. 12,000 videos going up is about $3 million in GMV. As a result, that means that if you want to get $3 million GMV, theoretically all you need to do is correctly deploy 12,000 videos with a proper funnel, proper strategy, proper pricing, proper product, etc. So let's say you already have the proper product. Let's say you already have the content listing and everything else optimized properly and the pricing set properly. Now let's talk AI content, which is theoretically the massive cheat code to scale right now. And we're already seeing brands actually succeed at this. We're already seeing individual product pages actually succeed at this. And so let me just give you an example right here. This video made by this account ID, Stella.Ryan. Okay, so good that I got 3 as the caption. You can see this video for yourself, but just to give you an idea, it's a very basic AI generated green screen style video. And look at this, $23,000 GMV. All right, so they made $23,000 in 30 days on this account. AI. I mean, it's this lady in the content. She's clearly AI. It's crazy. So you see that there is definitely an opportunity here with this AI content. By the way, this is from Rosabella. If I didn't mention that, obviously a brand already crushing it, making 1.5 million a month on TikTok Shop alone right now. So how does this all work for you? And what is actually necessary to succeed with AI content? So at a high level, here's essentially the workflow, okay? Number one, and I talked about this on Twitter a little bit, but I really want to go into more depth and talk about this at a high level. What do you actually need in order to accomplish this? So the main things you're going to need is you're going to need a research tool. I recommend something that you can do insider creating with. That should be Calorata, Fastmouse, Cruva, etc. I don't have any relationship with any of these companies as of now, beyond like they tell me that I should refer them customers. But obviously I'm doing that for free right now just because these tools work. I recommend Fastmouse, as you see that's one I'm using. But go in there, go look at your competitors' video ideas, and then you just download them. Okay, sorry, this is loading, and I'm not even logged in. But to give you an idea, you download the video here. Okay, so you basically go in, look at a product, look at ideal viral videos in that niche, download that video, okay? Next, you're gonna go to Manus, and you're basically gonna, because I can give an example of one of my conversations that I actually already did this in here. So I'm gonna actually ask it to make my own version of this creator, okay? So I basically said, make this viral influencer girl. So I basically just made my ideal avatar creator, essentially. So it's that simple. So I go in, make my ideal avatar, basically, and then I was just like, yeah, remove the Instagram. I don't know why you said that she has an Instagram. Remove the Instagram ad metrics. Now it's just the image. All right. So what I do is once I have the video downloaded from Fastmouse as my ideal video, and then once I have this avatar image, I go to Kling AI, which is Kling, by the way, motion control is the specific feature you want. Kling 2.6 motion control. You add the video that you downloaded here and the image here, and then check this out. It's funny enough, I didn't do a good job on this one because I didn't add the product image as well. So like super rough, just trying to get a video out to explain this really quickly. And I can do better in the future to make it actually like a more in-depth on the step-by-step of that. But you get the basic idea. And basically that's the simple workflow that it takes. Right now, what you want is to have $5 videos going up all day. Because while these videos cost $5, if you're working at influencers, it's what, $100 a video? Maybe 50 a video. Sometimes it's more. Sometimes it's 300 a video for some of these high GMV TikTok Shop affiliates. And so the idea here is basically using volume in order to scale your TikTok Shop just to kind of greater heights relatively quickly. You can pause this if you want to see like the way that I kind of go through the steps here. But this works, and it's pretty crazy. A big part of this that I get questions about is the phone factory and about posting. So how do you actually deploy it to actually scale up on TikTok Shop, get a ton of content actually live, and effectively scale with many different phones? Or how do you do that without kind of like this geo tracking and, you know, potential issues with IP addresses and all that stuff? And so the best way to do this, with the way we did, is I have a decentralized phone factory. So I have creators on phones all over the US, TikTok Shop affiliates. They run different accounts. We have them post these videos on different TikTok Shop affiliate accounts from their iPhones, from wherever they are. That way you have no issues with algorithm, IP address, etc. And then they make specific TikTok Shop accounts in the same style as you're seeing with like this Rosabella one-off random video, random creator. So it's actually that simple. You basically have these random accounts, TikTok Shop affiliate accounts. They are able to post on separate from these creators' personal pages, or separate even from their TikTok Shop affiliate personal pages. This allows us just to get a ton more content going out a lot quicker and a lot easier. And so this is how you're able to actually do this at scale. And then we just pay a small fee to each of these creators to post all that content. But so I already have that decentralized phone posting network set up. And that's what makes that part so easy there. And that's really one of the main questions I get about the strategy right now, because I think everything else in terms of the workflow is relatively simple and quite easy to actually implement. So comment below if you have any other questions on this strategy that you'd like me to talk about in the future, and I will do my best to do so. Thank you. Have a good day.